An important, if secondary, role for diodes is in circuit protection. There are typically two aspects of this. Firstly, to protect circuits from reversed polarity, as shown on the screen. If the battery or power supply here is placed the wrong way around, the circuit is protected because the diode will stop any current flowing. It is important to remember, however, the loss of 0.07 volts in the diode drop when you're planning such circuits. The second application of diodes in protection is to protect against excessive input signal which might damage sensitive components in the circuit. In the circuit shown below on the screen, any voltage above 0.7 volts will be conducted by the diode down to ground. Voltages below 0.7 don't switch the diode on and enter the circuit as normal. Therefore, this circuit can be used to limit the input voltage to below 0.7 volts. If we wanted a range of minus 0.7 to plus 0.7, then we could use the circuit which is now shown on the screen. We can also connect diodes together to give a larger voltage range if required, for example minus 1.4 volts to plus 1.4 volts as shown. Or alternatively, if the voltage is only positive or only negative, we can also use a Zener diode. When using diodes for protection, particularly in the first case, polarity protection, it is important to ensure that the diode has a high enough power rating to handle the voltage and current developed in the circuit, preferably by at least a factor of 2. In very sensitive circuits, it's also important to make sure that no noise is going to be generated in the diode, which might affect the performance of the circuit.